We moved to Chicago area about 12 years ago, and then we decided to build a house after renting for the first couple of years. And approximately 7 years ago, our house was in construction. And then for the landscaping part, we put a bid out, and Mike won the bid. And he did our drainage as well as front driveway, patio area, and with hard pavers. And he has done a wonderful job. I believe he has given me like a 10-year guarantee for everything, and then we're in 7 year right now, 6-7 year, and everything is going well. One thing about it was the price wasn't cheap, but it was not expensive, very expensive, but it wasn't on the cheap side either. So I guess you get what you pay for, and we're extremely happy with the work he has done. But I looked for some relatively less costly vendors for several other projects in my backyard afterwards, which I've kind of regretted, because you did not get what you paid for in those projects compared to what Mike did. So now I have several other projects, as well as to correct the ones that were done incorrectly. And Mike is hopefully going to work with us again to take care of everything.